Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mi'ad, a second semester student at PT IKI University Jakarta. On this occasion, I would like to share a brief story about my life's journey, how I transitioned from a general education background to the world of Islamic boarding school, and how that experience has shaped who I am today. Since childhood, I attend public schools from elementary through high school. I grew up in a dynamic environment full of challenge but also valuable lessons. After completing high school, I had the opportunity to pursue higher education at a university. However, fate had other plans. My time in college lasted only one semester. There were many factors that led me to discontinue my studies, whether it was mental readiness, a sense of purpose, or family considerations. After a long period of reflection, I decided to seek a path that felt more peaceful and meaningful. That dedication led me to the world of pesantren. I chose to study at a tahfidz pesantren, Quran memorization boarding school, located in Bekasi. It was not an easy education, especially considering my previous education was not religious in nature. However, I felt that this was the best path for me to take. At the pesantren, I began to seriously memorize the Quran. My days were filled with memorization schedules, muraja'ah, reviewing memorized verses, and other religious activities. It took me approximately 2.5 years to complete the memorization of all 30 juz of the Quran. The process was certainly not easy. There were difficult times when I first executed the memorization felt heavy and my motivation went. But with the guidance of my teachers and support from fellow students, I was able to persevere and complete it. After finishing my memorization, I dedicated myself to the pesantren. I spent a period of service there with sincere intention to give back to the institution that had quit me. I was entrusted with responsibilities such as helping new students, teaching Quranic memorization, and assisting with various pesantren activities. From this experience, I learned that knowledge is not just for oneself, but must also be shared with others. Now, I am continuing continuing my education at PTIK University Jakarta, an institution that perfectly suits my desire to deepen my understanding of the Quran and Islamic studies. With the experience I gained at the pesantren and my renewed and enthusiasm as a student, I hope to become someone who brings benefit to my family, society, and religion. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.